How to change payment methods on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change payment methods on Shopee. First of all, open the web browser. Here, search Shopee. Click to open the site. When the site is open, choose your country or region. Click on three dots from top. Then click to open desktop site. Zoom on the page and go into profile icon. Then from My Account, open Bank and Cards. Here you can add new card, add credit card installment, add new bank account. Then go into My Purchase. Click on To Pay. Then click on your order. Go into its details, payment method. Click on the Change button to change the payment method. You can choose any method from here, like credit or debit card, over the counter, online payment. Choose any of the given methods from here. Then click on Confirm. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.